In today's video, I am going to teach you how to deep link different docs in Clickup. Deep linking is a simple way to send someone to the exact spot they need inside a Clickup doc, instead of dropping them at the top of the page. This is perfect for team wikis, SOPs, and project documentation, where people need fast access to a specific section. Start by opening the doc that contains the information you want to reference. Scroll to the exact block you want to link to, like a paragraph, a heading, or a callout. Hover your mouse near that block until you see the small handle, which looks like 2 dots on the left side. Click that handle, then choose the option to copy the block link. This copies a deep link that will jump directly to that block. Now move to the doc where you want to place the link. Open the options menu for that doc. Navigate to the other doc you want to edit, and click into the area where the link should live. If you want the link to be part of a sentence, highlight the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. Then use the Insert Link option in the editor toolbar and paste the block link you copied. Save the change by clicking Away, and test it by clicking the new link to confirm it jumps to the correct block. Next, make navigation even easier by using headings and a table of contents. Inside your doc, add headings using / commands like /h1, /h2, or /h3 as you organize sections. Then type /tc or /table of contents to insert a table of contents. Once it appears, you can use it to jump around the page, and you can also copy a heading link from the table of contents to use as a deep link in another doc. For quick, non-specific linking, you can mention a doc directly. In the editor, type at and begin typing the doc name, then select it from the list. You can also use the Docs Hub search to find a doc quickly and grab its link. Finally, if you want 2 docs to stay connected, open a doc and use the Relationships panel in the right sidebar. Under Page Links, choose Add Relationship, search for the other doc and select it. Clickup will create a backlink automatically so both docs can point to each other. That covers everything you need to know.